Hey guys, in this video, we are going to show you how to get raccoon in Grow a Garden. Sometimes in Grow a Garden, unlocking the raccoon can take a while, but there's an easy way to get it faster using a coupon code from a trusted site. Here's how you can do it step by step. First, open Google Chrome on your device and search for coldcoupons.com. Once the website opens, type Grow a Garden in the search bar and press enter. Then click on Grow a Garden from the search results. Here you'll see a list of all the available coupons for the game. Then, you'll find the first coupon listed for all pets. Now click on Get Code to continue. You'll see the coupon's details, including its ratings and how many users have used it today. Then click on Show Full Code and wait for a few seconds while it loads. After verification, the code will appear in the box below. Now, click on Get Full Code and copy it carefully. Once you've copied the code, open your Grow a Garden game and go to the Redeem or Coupon section. Paste the code there, and then confirm it. After that, check your game. If the code is valid, you'll see the raccoon unlocked and added to your garden. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you got some value. See you in the next one.